We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can take screenshot in Oppo. So in order to capture a screenshot on an Oppo phone, you can, go 3 routes, or maybe more than that, but I'll show you the 3 most convenient ones and the ones that 99% people use anyway. So the first one is by simultaneously pressing the side power button and volume down key like that. Okay, so the system lagged, so let me show you once again. As you can see, the screenshot gets taken. The next method is to make the following gesture with your 3 fingers. So slide those 3 fingers from top to bottom, and the screenshot gets taken as well. If this method does not work for you, you might want to enable the 3-finger screenshot shortcut. So let me quickly find that for you. I'm not sure whether it is actually changeable or not, but let me quickly check. Alrighty, so here it is, the 3-finger swipe down, so make sure that this toggle is blue, thus enabled, and the following screenshotting method will work for you. From here you can also make the scrolling screenshot like that. And the third method that I wanted to show is to use the control panel shortcut. So open the notification, thus control panel, by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar. Then expand the shortcut or the tiles that you have and find the icon that says screenshot, tap on it, and as you can see, the screenshot gets taken as well. So that will be it for this simple video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.